Welcome back to Autoscope. 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, unrivaled strength and luxury on wheels. Exterior, custom body construction. To ensure the best possible strength, insulation, and weight, the motorhome's body is made to order using premium materials like aluminum or composite fiberglass. Sharp LED projector headlights, a broad, muscular, aerodynamic hood, and the huge, distinctive Kenworth chrome grille will make this motorhome easily identifiable. Undercarriage storage, or range of roomy pass-through. Storage spaces with interior illumination and stainless steel doors. 360-degree camera. You can park and drive this big car safely with the aid of a 360-degree, high-definition camera system. Automatic hydraulic stabilizer system when parked. The car will stay level and steady thanks to hydraulic stabilizer legs that are controlled automatically. Interior power adjustment, massaging, heating, cooling, and ergonomic luxury leather seats. Smartphone-compatible infotainment system with a large touchscreen. Driver support features. Cutting-edge driver assistance technologies include automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot monitoring. Satellite and internet connectivity, a large, covert, LED TV, and a high-end surround sound system with built-in speakers. Kitchen, conventional oven, convection microwave, 2 or 3 burner induction cooktop, mini dishwasher, and full-size refrigerator with ice maker. 2 sinks, generous sinks with premium faucets. King-size bed. This bed has a luxuriously comfy mattress. Strong diesel engine. A strong Cummins X15 or Picarum X13 diesel engine will power the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, providing enough torque to easily navigate any terrain and tow large loads. Advanced braking system. Full air brakes with ABS and engine braking retardant for superior braking control. Air suspension. All wheels have air suspension, which allows for height adjustment and a very smooth ride on uneven roads.